Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I'd like to share a presentation entitled How Boeing Managed Its Reputation in Defense Terms. My name is Melinda Tiara Sukma and I am management student. In this presentation, I will focus on several key points. First, Boeing 737 MAX highlights. Second, and introduce 3. Description of the crisis. 4. The company response. 5. Evaluation and lesson learned. Finally, a conclusion. Introduce to the Boeing 737 MAX before the crisis. Before the crisis unfolded, the Boeing 737 MAX was introduced as a major advancement in the narrow-body aircraft category. It was marketed as a next generation airliner designed to meet the growing demands of airlines for better fuel efficiency, environmental sustainability, and operational performance. At the heart of this innovation were the CFM International LEIP-1B engines, which significantly reduce fuel consumption and carbon emission compared to previous model. To further enhance aerodynamic efficiency, Boeing equipped the 737 MAX with advanced PreTemp, which is a technology aimed at reducing drag and improving fuel burn. These design features contribute to the aircraft's ability to fly up to 30,850 nautical miles, making it ideal for short to medium-haul international routes such as transcontinental flights and regional operations. In addition to performance improvement, the cockpit was also upgraded with modern avionics, including large-format digital displays that provide pilots with clearer, more intuitive access to flight data. The aircraft also came with integrated flight management and navigation system, enhanced situational awareness, safety, and operational control for the flight crew. In summary, the Boeing 737 MAX was poised to set a new standard in commercial aviation, efficiency, and innovation, until unforeseen challenge shifted the narrative. Next, Boeing 737 MAX highlight. Prior to the crisis, the Boeing 737 MAX was introduced as a next generation narrow-body aircraft designed for great efficiency and operational performance. Powered by CFM International LEIP-1B engines, the aircraft promoted reduced fuel consumption and emission. The use of advanced PreTemp winglets contributed to low drag and better fuel burn rates, with a flight rate of 30,850 nautical miles. It was ideal for short to medium-haul international routes, feature large digital display, avionics, and integrated flight management system for improved pilot situational awarenesses. Introduce. In today's presentation, we focus on the critical importance of corporate reputation, particularly in industry where public safety is paramount, such as aviation. Reputation is more than branding. It is a symbol of truth, and in sector like this, it directly relates to human life. 1. of the most striking example of reputational collapse in modern corporate history is the crisis involving Boeing and its 737 MAX aircraft. Despite being a globally recognized and respected brand, Boeing found itself at the center of intense security and globally blacklisted due to failures in risk management. This presentation will explore how Boeing navigated through two devastating accidents, how the company responded, and what lessons can be drawn for other organizations facing reputational crises. Crisis depression, a tragedy that shook the aviation world. The crisis began with two catastrophic crises: Lion Air Flight 610 in Indonesia, October 2018, and Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302, March 2019, claiming the life of 346 people in total. Investigation revealed that both accidents were linked to a software system known as Manufacturing Characteristic Augmentation System, which based on faulty sensor data repeatedly for the aircraft nose downwards. Critically, this feature was not discovered in pilot manuals, and flight crew had not received adequate training on how to counter it. As a result, aviation authorities across the globe grounded the entry 737 MAX flight. The impact was swift and severe, not only in terms of financial loss, but also in the erosion of public trust and corporate credibility. In response to the escalating crisis, Boeing sought to confer accountability and initiate corrective measures. The company used public condolences, collaborated with international regulatory and investigative agents, and began regulating the manufacturing characteristic augmentation system software to prevent further malfunctions. A new pilot training program was introduced aimed at addressing the previously communicated system behavior. Internally, Boeing restored its safety oversights. A new safety committee was established, and technical reporting lines were revised to empower awareness and elevate safety concerns directly. From a financial standpoint, Boeing set aside billions of dollars in compensation for victim families and airlines customers, while also suspending 737 MAX production temporarily. Evaluation and lesson learned. This crisis revealed both commendable steps and critical flaws in Boeing's management approach. While the company eventually implemented robust technical and organizational reforms, its initial response was widely viewed and defiant and slow. Further analysis revealed that competitive pressure, especially the race to match Airbus, had led to looser development timelines and a culture where safety concerns were downplayed or ignored. The key lesson is unequivocal: in aircraft industry, safety must always avoid market pressure. Companies must foster a culture of transparency, empower engineered to foster safety, conquest, and embrace independent oversight mechanism. The cost of failing to do so is not only measured in financial loss but also in human life and long-term reputational damage. Conclusion. To conclude, to Boeing 737 MAX crisis is a sobering reminder that reputational capital can evaporate when safety is compromised for short-term business gains. While Boeing has since ran through the 737 MAX with improved system and comprehensive pilot training. Rebuilding public trust remains a gradual and ongoing process. The case underscores that in managing reputational crisis, speed is not enough. Transparency, accountability, and long-term culture change are essential for survival and renewal. When confronted with failure, companies that take responsibility and commit to systematic reform can not only recover but emerge stronger. In closing, we have seen how Boeing, one of the world's largest airlines, faced significant challenges that test the resilience of its reputation. From tragedy to public pressure, Boeing was forecast to reflect deeply. Overhaul its communication strategy and strengthen its commitment to safety and transparency. Not just about a crisis, but also about how a major company can learn from its mistakes, rebuild trust, and reorient its future. Boeing's reputation management strategy demonstrates that in the modern business world, public trust is an invaluable asset, and restoring it requires time, consistency, and concrete action. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the importance of reputation management, especially during challenge times. Thank you for your attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.